Okay, guys. So our third pair for the week is going to be AUD/USD. Right. So I gave you this pair last week, and your TP was above this high, and it was reached. That was wonderful. I hope you guys made some pips from that pair. Right now, looking at it, I'm going to zoom out a little bit, make everything clear for everybody. Okay, all right, lovely. Right, so from what we're seeing here, okay, is if you took my advice, right, that the moment that we take out this high, right, after taking out this high, come down, close below, right, enter for a sell, right, and hold for this TP, that's all right, right? That's a double trade for you. Right, so what you can do is move your stop loss to break even, and then let it run. Okay. Now for our weekly trade, okay, if they open higher, right? If they open somewhere here, okay, that means they'll just come down to this zone here, right, and trade higher, right, to take out this high here. That's going to be our TP. Okay. Now scenario number 2 is we expect them to come down to this zone, correct? Right. So if they open lower, right, we expect them. Let me clear this. Right. If they open lower, we expect them to trade higher, right, slightly, and then trade lower into this zone, right. Let me refine my entry there for your buy, right. Okay, so this is going to be my entry for the buy, right. So scenario number 1 is they open higher, right, they'll come to this zone and then immediately go up, right, to target previous day high. That's going to be your TP. Okay, or if they open lower, right, they'll trade higher, close the gap, right, and then trade lower into our entry zone. Right, so this is going to be your stop loss, right? This is going to be your entry, all right? Entry. Actually, this is going to be entry number 2, all right? Why do I say entry number 2? As soon as the market opens here, right, have your entry number 1, okay? Entry number 1. And if they go lower, you can put your entry number 2 here, right, with your stops overly around the low of this candle here, right? We don't want to see them trading and closing below this low. Okay, so to be safe, let me just redraw these. Okay, and actually, I think we can also move into the H4 chart. Okay, much better, much better. Right, so right there. As soon as the market opens, you can buy here. What are we targeting? The high of the previous day. Okay, that's your TP, and this is your entry 1. Right, so since we're still expecting them as well to come and trade into this zone, right, your entry number 2 is going to be here, right, entry number 2. Okay, you can use the opening of the last up candle, this as your entry. Okay, and then we target previous day high with your stops, right, just below this down close candle, right. So let me just use my crosshair to see where your stops are going to be. 1.7010, right, your stops. Entry number 2 is going to be, my bad, I'm sorry, 0.7010. That's your stop loss. Entry number 2, 0.7082. And entry number 1 is going to be as soon as market opens. And your TP will be the high of that candle, 0.70 72.25. Okay, so that's it on AUD USD. Right, let me see if I can find any setups on USD JPY or USD Swiss franc. So with that said, thank you guys. Have a lovely week.